We're starting this project by 3D printing Freddy Krueger's iconic head, preparing it for an incredible electroplating transformation. Once the print is finished, we'll prep it by applying a conductive coating, making it ready for the electroplating process. After finishing the 3D print of Freddy Krueger's head, the next crucial step in preparing it for electroplating is making it conductive. For this, we use a specialized conductive paint. This conductive paint contains fine particles, such as graphite or copper, that create a pathway for electricity to flow across the surface. This is essential for the electroplating process, as it allows the metal to bond seamlessly with the print. We apply the paint evenly across the entire piece, ensuring that every detail is coated. This step is particularly important for preserving the intricate textures and features of Freddy's design. It's important to cover all surfaces, including the hard-to-reach areas, to avoid any gaps in the electroplating process. The paint not only makes the print conductive, but also acts as a base for the metal layer to adhere to. The process requires patience and precision, as an even coat ensures a flawless metallic finish later on. Any imperfections at this stage could affect the final result. With the conductive paint applied, Freddy's head is now prepped and ready to begin its transformation from 3D printed plastic to a stunning metal masterpiece. As the piece sits in the bath, we adjust the current to the perfect level. This ensures the copper bonds evenly to the surface, creating a smooth and consistent layer. The electricity flowing through the solution triggers the copper to deposit onto the conductive surface of the print, slowly transforming it into a metallic masterpiece. The copper has bonded perfectly to the conductive surface, preserving every intricate detail, from the iconic burn scars to the terrifying expression. We rinse it thoroughly to clean off any leftover solution and reveal the full brilliance of the copper plating. Now that our 3D printed Freddy Krueger head is fully copper-plated, we're preparing it for the next step, nickel plating. To create a unique two-tone effect, we'll use nail polish as a masking agent. The nail polish acts as a barrier, protecting the copper in certain areas from being covered by nickel. This allows us to highlight specific details and create contrast between the copper and nickel finishes. This process requires precision. We focus on areas where we want to preserve the copper's rich tone while leaving the rest exposed for the nickel plating. It's important to ensure all intended areas are evenly coated with nail polish. Any gaps in the masking can result in uneven plating and disrupt the final design. This step may take some time, but the attention to detail will pay off when the final piece showcases a stunning combination of copper and nickel. As the head enters the nickel bath, we adjust the current to control the plating process. Almost immediately, you can start to see the nickel reacting with the exposed copper areas. You can see the transformation happening right before our eyes. Wherever the copper is exposed, the nickel begins to coat it evenly, giving Freddy a sleek silver shine. The plating process is gradual, and the nickel starts bonding smoothly over the surface, giving it a bright, shiny, and durable finish. As time goes on, the nickel layer thickens and becomes more uniform, covering every exposed detail while the masked areas remain copper. As minutes goes on, the nickel layer thickens and becomes more uniform, covering every exposed detail while the masked areas remain copper. After the nickel plating is complete, Freddy's head has undergone an incredible transformation. The smooth, shiny nickel finish perfectly complements the copper layer underneath.